Hey, there's a cutie pie. Ready? Here we go. Here you are. Ready? Oh, there's gonna be a cutie pie. Hey, baby. Yay! Carl. You're a funny bunny. You're a funny bunny. I see you. There you are, riding the stroller. Mama, mama. One more time, baby. One more time. Can you look at me? Alright. That's a 140 heart rate. And like, what happened? What happened to the ride? I'm waiting for you to turn around. I'm waiting for you to turn around, baby. You're not going to do it, are you? There's my boy.